finally, it all comes to selling digital or physical products. So I think of selling digital or physical products as kind of the last stage in monetization for bloggers, but that's assuming that you're a blogger first. If you originally set out to sell products and your blog was kind of secondary, then this particular section may not apply to you. But if you are a blogger and you spend a lot of time creating an audience and building your brand and having that recognition, then you can finally feel ready to put out some form of product, and you already have an audience at your fingertips that might be interested in that and might make a purchase. So this can be a great final step in your process when it comes to monetizing your website. And you can do this in the form of designing your own types of products. Maybe you want to sell a jewelry line or design your own clothes. On the other hand, maybe you want to begin selling digital products. You can write your own ebooks or design printables that people can download. You can also partner with other brands or other bloggers to create products in collaboration. So combine your knowledge to create an ebook together, and then you can share audiences for promotion that way. Or you can use your creative knowledge to create a product in collaboration with somebody else. So these can be great ways to begin selling products for lower cost and a little bit less risk. But one day, maybe you'll even get all the way to the point where you can get a book deal and begin selling that as well. So there's a lot out there when you get to the point that you really feel like you're ready to start selling products.